Are you looking for the best amplifiers for cars? In this video we will look at some of the best amplifiers for cars. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Boss amplifiers for car. Overheating could be an issue. Power 1100 max X1 at 2 ohms, 550 max X1 at 4 ohms. Class AB topology. Class A amplifiers have enormous amount of current flowing through its output transistors with no audio signal. Class B amplifiers have no current flowing through its outputs with no audio signal. MOSFET power supply. A MOSFET is an electrical switch that allows the flow of electrical current. It controls the output voltage and current precisely by removing the output current sensing loss and eliminating all secondary feedback circuitry. Low and high level inputs. A low level RCA input is measured in voltages. A high level plus or minus wire input is measured in wattages. Both essentially carry signal from your receiver to your amplifier to your speakers. Variable low-pass crossover. Subwoofers reproduce sound based on a number of different low-range frequencies. You can set exact sound specifications for the bass frequency reproduction. Switchable bass boost. Bass boost allows you to adjust the low bass within the boost range to just the way you like it. Variable input gain control. The gain control is not for adjusting volume. It simply adjusts the amount of signal that is coming from your receiver and going to your amplifier. Number 2. Planet amplifiers for car. The wattage is lower than advertised as per many users. Power, max power output of 1500 watts at 2 ohms into one channel. Maximum power output of 750 watts at 4 ohms into one channel. This amplifier is designed to run your subwoofers, giving them the power that they need to perform as they were meant to. High-level inputs. Speaker-level inputs are commonly referred to as high-level inputs. This input will be used to connect the AC 1500.1M to your factory radio or aftermarket radio that does not have low-level RCA inputs. Low-level inputs. Line-level inputs, also known as RCA inputs or low-level inputs, use RCA interconnect cables to link the AC 1500.1M with the source unit. Most aftermarket radios have multiple pairs of RCA outputs that can connect to multiple amplifiers. Low-pass crossover. A low-pass filter is an electronic circuit that removes all the notes below the filter's frequency setting. A low-pass filter will primarily keep high notes out of your subwoofers. Variable bass boost. Variable bass boost allows you to adjust the low bass within the boost range to just the way you like it. Number 3. Rockville amplifiers for car. Some have complained about overheating issues. Includes amplifier, bass remote, berth sheet with tested power, owner's manual, mounting screws, warranty. Rockville DB 14 4000 watt peak / 1000 watt dyno certified RMS mono 2 ohm amplifier car audio amp dyno certified RMS power ratings, certified dyno test / less than 1% THD. Use these ratings when comparing with top brands such as Kicker, Rockford Fosgate, etc. 2 ohm, 1000 watts X1 channel less than 1% THD plus N, 4 ohm, 600 watts X1 channel less than 1% THD plus N. Peak. Use these ratings when comparing with the top budget brands such as Boss, Power Acoustic, etc. 2 ohm, 4000 watts X1 channel. 4 ohm, 2400 watts X1 channel. High-speed MOSFET power supply. Optical coupler Class D technology. Fully adjustable 12 dB/octave crossover with differential circuitry. Low-pass filter, 50 Hz to 250 Hz. Subsonic filter, 15 Hz to 55 Hz phase control switch. Full IC-controlled protection circuitry. Remote dashboard subwoofer control. Fully adjustable 12 dB bass equalizer. Mute and delay soft start system. RCA preamp line output. 8-volt preamp circuitry. Status mode LED indicator. Minimum THD at rated power, less than 0.1%. S/N ratio, greater than 90 dB. Under voltage protection at 10 V. Over voltage protection at 16 V. Frequency response, 15 Hz to 250 Hz, damping factor, greater than 150 at 100 Hz, 100 amp maxi fuse. Dimensions, WXHXL, 9 inches by 2.4 inches by 15.5 inches. Number 4. Lanzar amplifiers for car. There is no bass remote control. Audio evolution. This amplifier car audio features excellent frequency response rates and crossover network that place these amps in a class of their own. Sound specialization. This high-powered power amplifier is cutting-edge technology at its finest. RCA connectors ensure a secure connection between amplifier and speakers that allow distortion-free sound. Intelligent design. The amplifier monoblock features include power and protection LED indicators, soft turn-on/off, and one-channel amp design. RCA jacks. The line-out jacks allow you to build multiple amplifier systems without having to use splitter cords to distribute the signal. This makes it easier to bring one set into the first amp, then use the line-out jack as the feed to the next amp. Great deal. Often a monoblock amp comes with a high price tag. Yet the Lanzar mono amplifier is budget-friendly with all the features, reducing crosstalk between channels. Please update the listing's title, description, and bullets. Number 5. Blaupunkt amplifiers for car. Lack of proper ventilation for continuous usage. Optimized 563 watt RMS and a max output power of 1500 watts, you can give your music a huge boost in power that will have you and your passengers partying. 750 watt maximum power full range amplifier compactly built so this amplifier can fit perfectly into any trunk. Blaupunkt 750 watt monoblock amplifier. Stable at 1 ohm, remote subwoofer level control included. Highly efficient heatsink design allows for maximum reliability and performance of channel 2/1 channel. Featuring two-way protection circuitry and 4-gauge power and ground input terminals for maximum current flow. Damping factor 150. Max output power. You'll have full reign over your amplifier with the built-in user control panel, featuring a bass EQ and variable adjustment tunings for gain level.